Hi everyone. When it comes to today's film scenes, action movies are all the rage. They usually have interesting fight sequences, epic battleground scenes, and large-scale shots. Did you know that we have Japanese film from the 50s to thank for all these blockbusters? Yes, today I'm talking about Seven Samurai. The epic Japanese film Seven Samurai was originally released in 1954, directed by legendary filmmaker Akira Kurosawa. The film is set in 1586 in a highly village. The farmers living in the village overheard the plan of a group of bandits who plan to raid the village after the harvest. The farmers go to the village elder for help, who advises them to hire samurai warriors to fight the bandits. However, the farmers are poor and can only offer food, so they look to find hungry warriors. They travel to a nearby town and manage to recruit seven samurais. The warriors, the rest of the film shows the interesting strategies the villagers and the warriors develop and how they fight the bandits. This film is one of the most expensive films made in Japan. It is also one of the most influential movies of all time. The director insists on construction a complete set in real rural settings rather than shooting in a studio. He also used multiple camera setups and long focus lenses rather than the usual shot-by-shot single camera method. This inspired several filmmakers to try out different techniques and methods, many of which have become commonplace today. Seven Samurai won the Silver Lion at the Venice Film Festival in 1955 and Best Foreign Director at the Juicy Awards in 1959. He was also nominated for the 1957 Academy Awards and the 1956 British Academy Film Awards. The film has been remade several times and inspired many movies, including The Magnificent Seven, Battle Beyond the Stars, Seven Swords, Rebel Moon, and Sholai, and A Bug's Life. The similar theme trope in Seven Samurai can be seen in Samurai Pronounced, can be seen in many international movies like The Avengers, Saving Private Ryan, Star Wars, and The Expendables. The visual elements and portrayal of action scenes in the movie started a new style that can be seen even today in the Marvel movies, Lord of the Rings, Mad Max, and The Matrix Evolution. You may feel like I named a lot of movies now, but this is just a brief overview in the immense international cultural impact of Seven Samurai. The legacy of this epic movie is still being kept alive, although frequently referenced in the media, even 70 years after its original release. To mark the 70th anniversary of the film, a restored version of the film was released recently. This restoration was conducted by Toho, the company that originally released the film. According to the company's statement, the restoration was conducted using second-generation fine-grained positive elements and third-generation duplicated negative elements. This was done as original negatives of the movie footage was not accessible. The new restoration is in 4K quality with Blu-ray and HDR10 version also is available. Critics have particularly appreciated the quality of close-up shots and clarity of image details in the new version. This restored version premiered in the classic section of the Cannes Film Festival 2024. It was also released in cinemas in Japan, the US, and limited areas across the world. Seven Samurai. This remains as a major cultural landmark not only in Japan but internationally. Will you be interested in watching the newly restored version of the film? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like and share and subscribe and stay tuned to our channel for more such interesting updates.